Hey gang, Jerry here, and today's going to be another video of our 35 Hot Rod Truck series from Factory 5, and today we're going to be talking about the transmission tunnel. So lots of different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you what I did. Some of you probably are going to like it, some of you are probably going to, not so much, but it's going to work for me. So I'm just going to, there's not a lot of information out there as far as the fitment of the transmission tunnel, and it's going to be depending on your application too. Manual transmissions are a lot narrower and you probably won't run into so many issues. Automatic transmission, a little bit different story, especially mine. I'm running the 4R70W. It's a pretty wide transmission, so I was running into some fitment issues, and I'll kind of show you how I got over those hurdles. But first and foremost, so the transmission tunnel, I actually selected to section the tunnel right in half. So I cut the tunnel right down the center. And so I have really 4 pieces. I have my right side, my left side, my back top plate, and my front top plate. And the reason why I chose to do that is I have this bolted in. So I use rib nuts to install the transmission tunnel. So if sometime in the future I want to remove it, I can remove it fairly easily. And if I just need to get to the right side of the transmission for the cooler lines, I can just take the right side off, or left side for the shifter linkage. And also my wiring harness all goes through the top plate. So I can take the entire transmission tunnel off without removing the top plate, the front top plate, and I'm not disturbing any of my wiring harness. So again, to me personally, there's a lot of benefits in doing it this way. You might disagree and have done it differently, or plan on doing it differently. This, what I feel, is going to work the best for me. So, so really no issues. There's one thing I want to show you on the driver's side here is I did have some fitment issue with the linkage here on the right side with clearance. And what I chose to do is I cut the fiberglass out, but after doing that, I actually repositioned the linkage where I had better clearance, but still some interference. And so what I did is in this section that I cut out of the transmission tunnel, I installed a piece of ABS, 1/8" ABS plastic. And the really nice thing about this plastic is you can just heat it up slightly and then mold it. It might be hard to see on the video, but there is slight bump out right here that I molded to make clearance for my automatic transmission shifter, so I don't have any clearance issues. Of course, you could have done all that with fiberglass, but I thought this was really quick and easy to do, and I'm perfectly happy with it. Again, a lot of you might not be so happy with this, but again, it's just going to be, it works for me. And then, as I mentioned, it's just I have it bolted in with rib nuts, and so I can remove any section, any time of the transmission tunnel that I want, especially not having to remove the top plate and messing with all my harnesses that are ran through the top of the transmission tunnel. So I hope that gives you some insight. Again, there's my research, I did not find a lot of information on transmission tunnels out there. This is the solution that I came up with, and I'm very happy with it. If you have suggestions on other methods on transmission tunnel, please leave it in the comments down below, so hopefully other people can read your comments and maybe come up with a better solution than what I have here. So I'm not an expert. This is just going to work for me, and I'm happy with it. So I hope that helps. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We're going to be doing videos like this all along our hot rod build. Make sure you give the video a massive thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and don't forget to click the bell so you're notified when the next video comes out. All right, gang, it's going to wrap it up for this one. Remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.